conspicuous consumption in the age of social media. So this is an interesting concept which you can connect it to you, your friends as well as your family. Okay. So what is happening here? Conspicuous in the sense visible, very clearly visible, sometimes wantedly visible. You want that to be seen by everybody, easy to observe, easy to see. That is conspicuous consumption in the age of social media. Now, I'll give you a small example. You buy a watch, okay? You buy a watch. Let us say the cost of that watch is 2,000. You have a friend who also took a watch, who also bought a watch. The cost of it is 50,000. The purpose of the watch can be to check the time. But the basic purpose is checking the time. The other aspect of health benefits and all, exercising, tracking your own health, physical as well as mental health from the watch is different. Attending calls is different. Digital things are different. But from the basic point of view, you are using your watch for time purpose, to know the time. Now, your friend with the 50K watch will evidently show the watch to all of you in the physical presence as well as on the social media that he has bought a new watch. That is conspicuous consumption. That means it is about purchasing. This is a concept which involves purchasing and displaying luxury goods, the luxury things which you take. You may belong to a higher social status or lower social status, that doesn't matter. But what you show to the people, what you project to the people in front of them as well as in the social media, that matters in conspicuous consumption. Showing that you are rich, showing that you belong to that luxury class is the concept of conspicuous consumption given by Veblen. Veblen. Please note it down. You can remember visible V, conspicuous means visible V, given by Veblen V. So he gave this concept in the year 1899. So he says that, and these things are also called as Veblen goods because of his interesting identification. See the year? In his 1899 book itself, he has talked about this particular conspicuous consumption. That means rich people or even middle class people wants to showcase their purchasing power evidently without telling out, without telling in words, through whatever they wear, through whatever they use. If you see some social media influencers, they may not be rich, but they travel a lot. They go to many islands and post videos. And people watching those videos will think that they are very, very rich and have a lot of money. They may not be having a lot of money. They might have got that money only for that particular trip or tour of 1 week. But the way they project it on social media will seem like they are the richest people among their circle. That is conspicuous consumption, and we have this concept also to discuss in our sociology class in deeper with even more examples. So in today's class, I have discussed 10 sociological terms which are new to you in the easiest way possible. So whenever we go in depth in our sociology syllabus, when I bring in these terms, you will definitely understand even more clearly and beautifully about these concepts. Clear everybody? If you have any doubt till now, please let me know. Thank you so much. Keep watching our videos, and I repeat, if you haven't chosen your optional subject yet, choose sociology as your optional subject, because our journey is going to be very, very beautiful, and if you are serious about this optional subject, I will make you score more to clear UPSC with your optional subject marks. Thank you.